Yes.
Yeah.
Can you just do that one?
Okay, only for boundary you want to add, yeah? Only for boundary, suppose. So further we simply use map dot add layer AOI. So when I run the code, it just added the boundary also. You can see this is the boundary. So now you want to add that multiple boundary at the same time, yeah?
Yeah, now we wanted to add maybe Myanmar.
Okay, so let's try to add.
Yeah.
So for that, we simply apply that function. It's called the in or equal. It's called, okay, let me check the function name. It's called the in list function, I think. In list.
Yeah, list, yes.
In list. E filter in list. Okay, so this function need to apply. E filter in list. So I just apply E dot filter dot in list. So first I need the country name, and second I put the value. Suppose I need the country at the same time: Bangladesh, Myanmar, Nepal, Bhutan, all of those. Okay, right value, left value, and right value. So how I can define it? So special, okay, it's a right value. It's an object, optional, right value. Okay, should have right. Okay, so if I just make a square bracket, suppose I put here the Bangladesh, comma, suppose Nepal, then comma, I put here suppose Bhutan. So now, yeah, okay, you can see it added, okay, in my list country name Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, or any country. If I want also add at the same time in a one shape file, when I merge, I need suppose also India, so I put here India. So now it also India is also merged. Okay, at the same time it loaded. So now Bangladesh. So now we can see we can get the result for that whole of those, and this is my boundary. So Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan just merge together and create the one shape file. AOI is stored the all of Bangladesh, all of country merge and create one shape file. And when I use it, I can easily get, suppose this is the LST map for that all of those together. I hope you also get the idea, okay?
Okay.
Okay, any question, please? RCS Pro page map, it also possible, okay? So export the shape file from RGS Pro. Just digitize your area and then export. Only digitize. And a lot of tutorial is already available on the YouTube. Okay, so let me show you the one tutorial. I know the link you want to try. Just simply digitize your area from the page map. Yeah, mainly it's called the create the shape file on ArcGIS Pro or ArcGIS. Suppose if I simply search here file GIS Pro, so then you can get how to create shapefile in the ArcGIS Pro. Okay. A lot of tutorial is available, or how to create the shapefile. So simply digitize area, and I also try to show you that inshallah next class how to how to exporting the shape file. Okay, this thing is not completed. Mainly we can directly download the shape file from the Google Earth Engine base map. Suppose we simply digitize our area, or suppose this river I simply digitize and I simply export as a shape file. And this shape file we also use the ArcGIS Pro or QGIS Pro software to work with that. Okay, so I'll share as soon as possible after completing the session. I try to share all of those as soon as possible. For the materials, also practice code and also assignment, I also share with you. We will try to practice. Okay. If there any question, okay, I hope there is no question. So you also try and inshallah.